In today's video, we're going to be talking about today's slight risk of severe weather and the enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow. So let's get started. Alright, everyone, so we can see we got enhanced risk of severe weather in Pennsylvania today. Some of the New England states, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, margin risk in Pennsylvania, New York, we can see Georgia, South Carolina. Then we got a margin risk in New Mexico. We can see Colorado, Kansas, we can see Oklahoma, and Texas. We can see out here for today for our day 1 severe weather risk. Also, for today, we get a 2% tornado risk over here in Colorado, in Kansas. We can see in we can see in New Mexico too, and little Texas and Oklahoma. All right, time to move on to our wind risk for today. Then today we can see we had a 30% wind risk for Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Virginia, North Carolina, and a 15% wind risk to North Carolina, West Virginia. We can see Pennsylvania. Then we got a 15% wind risk over here in Colorado, Texas, New Mexico, and Oklahoma, and a 5% wind risk for Kansas, Oklahoma, Colorado. We can see in New Mexico and Texas. We can see also everybody out there. So it's time to look at our hail risk for today. Alright, this is our hail risk, everyone, for today. We can see we got our hail risk. We can see a 5% hail risk in West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, and North Carolina. We can see then we got a 15% hail risk in Colorado. Looks like New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas. We can see also on here too. So let's move on to our day 2 severe weather risk, everyone. So we're going to be having an enhanced severe weather risk for tomorrow. For Saturday, we can see in Missouri, Illinois, we can see Kansas, then we got a slight risk in Iowa, we can see Illinois, Arkansas, we can see even Kentucky, we can see in Oklahoma, then we got a margin risk in Indiana, Michigan, we can see New Mexico, Texas, Arkansas, and even Tennessee. You see also on here too, guys, for Saturday. We see them. Alright, everyone, this is our tornado risk for Saturday. We can see coming up, we have a 5% tornado risk in Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, a 2% tornado risk in Iowa, Illinois, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. We can see also on here too, guys. Then also we got our wind risk we're gonna be looking at for tomorrow too. I think we have about it seems like it's taking a second to load. I don't know why it's loading so slow. Hold on, guys. I'm so sorry. So alright, everyone, we got our day 2 wind risk. We can see we got a 30% wind risk for Missouri, Kansas. We can see even Illinois. The black dotted lines, that means we have significant wind. Damage risk, this pretty much means we have significant winds in parts of Missouri, Kansas tomorrow, and Illinois. We can see also on here too, guys. We got a 15% wind risk for Kansas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Illinois, Indiana. Then we got a 5% wind risk for Texas. We can see New Mexico. Then we get our hail risk for tomorrow. We can see for June 13th, we can see we get a 15% hail risk for Kansas with a significant wind potential for large hail in Iowa, Missouri, and Kansas. Then we got a 5% hail risk for Kansas, Oklahoma, we can see Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, we can see also on here for tomorrow, everyone. So let's move on to our day very severe weather risk, everyone, right now. So let me just pull it up. Hold on. Just give me a second, guys. We just gotta pull it up real quick. Alright, everyone, there's our day very severe weather risk we can see on here. For June 14th, we can see a slight risk in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, West Virginia, and a margin risk in New Mexico, Texas, and Oklahoma, and Arkansas. We can see in Louisiana on here too, guys. For Sunday, we can see. Alright, everyone, so we can see we got our radar projections here, everyone. We got looks like around 2 p.m. today. We got storms in New York. We can see some maybe get pop-up storms in other parts of New York. We can see also some pop-up storms in Mississippi. In Alabama, we can see some scattered rain showers in West Virginia, Kentucky. We can see around 2 p.m. today. Then 3 p.m. comes along. We can see we got some storms in West Virginia. We can see in New York. We can see around 3 p.m. some scattered storms in Mississippi. Some scattered storms in Tennessee, North Carolina. We can see West Virginia and New York around 3 p.m. today. Also, we can see, guys. Then 4 p.m. we can see. We get storms in West Virginia, Tennessee. We can see Mississippi. We can see New York. We can see even looks like some of the New England states. We even have some storms too in New York. You can see Then 5 p.m. we got some more storms trying to form in West Virginia, Tennessee, see New York, New Hampshire. We can see up there by Vermont too. See storms trying to form also. Friday, 6 p.m. we have storms in Virginia, West Virginia, Tennessee, even New York. We can see New Hampshire. We see area too for 6 p.m. today. You can see also too. Then 7 p.m. comes along. We get storms in Virginia. We can see North Carolina. We can see New Jersey too. We can see even pop-up rain showers in New York. We can see some storms in New Hampshire. We can see also on here too, guys. And maybe some even pop-up rain showers in Maine. We can see also too, guys. Then 8 p.m. we can see we got some storms in New Jersey. Pop-ups, severe storms potentially. Some pop-up rain showers, storms in West Virginia and North Carolina. We see out here too, guys, some pop-up maybe storms in Georgia potentially. Then we can see at 9 p.m. looks like we have some pop-up storms in Virginia, New Jersey. Looks like some maybe rain showers in Maine. We can see also for Friday at 9 p.m. Friday 10 p.m. looks like we have potential storms on here in Florida potentially in some spots. You can see so. Pretty much it for that, but maybe at midnight we can still have one pop-up storm in Maryland, New Jersey area. We can see. So yeah, guys, let's move on to tomorrow's radar projections. This is Saturday 3 p.m. Remember, Central. This is Eastern Standard Time Zone. This is 2 p.m. actually. So you can see this is 2 p.m. tomorrow in Nebraska. It looks like we have some storms forming in Iowa, Nebraska. We can see around 2 p.m. tomorrow also. You can see. And it looks like some maybe scattered rain showers in Kentucky and Tennessee. Then 3 p.m. comes along. We can see a line trying to form in Nebraska, Iowa, but this can change a bit before tomorrow. We're just looking ahead. So you can see there could be storms in Oklahoma, New Mexico tomorrow. We can see also on here. Then 4 p.m. comes along. We have a line of storms in Nebraska, Iowa. We can see rain in North Dakota. We can see some storms in Oklahoma too. And we can see 5 p.m. we got some storms in Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, Wisconsin. We can see also Kentucky tomorrow, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico. We can see also on here too. Then at 6 p.m. looks like we have a line of storms. This you can see out here. This looks kind of I can say aggressive looking. You can see on this radar projection look right now. This looks like it could be just like large hail in here. You can see it looks like damaging winds and isolated tornado dread in there too for sure. It's like I think this will. I think we're gonna get more projections tomorrow. Probably will look different, but it looks aggressive to me. Then we can see 7 p.m. We can see we got storms in Kansas, Missouri. We can see Iowa, Kentucky, Texas, and Oklahoma. We can see also rain in Colorado. We can see some standard storms in Kentucky, Tennessee. We can see also on here too, guys. Then we can see 8 p.m. our storms moving down to the south in Kansas, Missouri. We can see maybe some scattered rain showers in Iowa. We can see some maybe pop-up showers in Illinois and some places in Michigan and Kentucky. We can see. Then we can see 9 p.m. our storms moving down to the south here in Kansas, Missouri. We can see some heavy rain in there and damaging winds, large hail, and even maybe some tornadoes possible. We can see with this tomorrow. We can see also some rain in some maybe rain in Texas and storms, also some scattered rain in Colorado, in New Mexico. We can see. Then 10 p.m. we got some storms in Kansas, Missouri, some pop-up rain showers in Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, Tennessee. We can see Georgia. We can see also. Then by 11 p.m. looks like our storm starts to go down in energy. We can see in Kansas, Missouri. We can see some maybe scattered rain in Iowa, Illinois. We can see also some looks like some pop-up rain showers in Texas. We can see also too. Then by midnight, looks like our storm's mostly gone. We can have some heavy rain in some places, still some scattered storms in Illinois and maybe parts of Oklahoma too. We can see also everybody. Then looks like by 1 o'clock in the morning, we saw some storms in Oklahoma. But most of our lines of storms have run down a ton since we looked at now. You can see some pop-up storms in Illinois. Then looks like we cast storms overnight, maybe or rain overnight in Oklahoma potentially. You can see by at 2 o'clock in the morning on Sunday we can see. So let's talk about something else now. Alright, we're going to be tomorrow, storm cap tomorrow potentially, but this can change too also because it's a day out still. You see it's a Saturday at 10 a.m. Remember that Eastern time zone, don't listen to that up there. So you can see at 10 a.m. we can see we got some storm cap numbers of 2900, Verdi 100, Verdi 300, Oklahoma 3800, Arkansas 3500, 3800, Mississippi 3500. We can see Alabama, we could have 2800 storm cap. South Mississippi 3500, Arkansas 3800. See Illinois, we have 1000 storm cap too. Then we can see by noon tomorrow we have storm cap numbers of 4400 in Kansas, 4200 in Oklahoma, 3300 in Arkansas, 2400 in Louisiana. We can see Texas 2700, Louisiana 1700 storm cap, Mississippi 3100, Georgia 2600, 2900. We can see on here also too, guys. You can see. Then we have a potential of 4800 storm cap in Kansas tomorrow. Potentially we can see 4200, 4300, 2800 in Missouri. We can see also 3500 in Arkansas. We can see. Then we can see it goes down pretty much over the evening hours. We can see. So let's talk about our warm air in New Jersey today. We're in hot air. We're going to be talking about in New Jersey today. Alright, so if you live anywhere like North Carolina, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, even Virginia, South Carolina, you can see temperatures really warm today, like Massachusetts too. You can see this is at noon today. We have temperatures in North Carolina at 97, South Carolina 95. You can see Virginia 94, even New Jersey we're at 90 degrees, 87. Some of the New England states we're going to give it near 90. You can see like Massachusetts we can see on here also, guys. So then we can see at 2 p.m. on here, we're 101 in North Carolina, 95 we can see, 98 in South Carolina we can see also on here, 91 in Georgia, 92 in Florida we can see also, 88 in New York, 90 in Massachusetts we can see, in some of the New England states, 80s we can see in parts of Vermont, we can see New Hampshire area, we can see also. Then we can see 3 p.m. today, we could get to 102 in North Carolina, 101. We can see 94. We can see also in New Jersey, 95 in Maryland. We can see Pennsylvania in the 80s too. You can see. We can see 5 p.m. on here, everybody, today. So we can see on here also we have temperatures in North Carolina at 100. We can see also on here too, guys. 97 in South Carolina. We can see also on here too, guys. 90 in Maryland. We can see also 92 in New Jersey. We can see 92 and in Massachusetts area. We can see also at 5 p.m. today. Also, let's look at our Philly temperatures for today. Let's go back to noon. We can see at noon already we have Philly temperatures already at 100 in South Carolina, 99 in Georgia, feeling like 98 in North Carolina already, feeling like 98 and 99 in Virginia, New Jersey feeling 95, Massachusetts feeling like in the 90s too already at noon today. We can see at 3 p.m. today, we can have Philly temperatures in North Carolina at 102, 101 in Virginia, I can feel like South Carolina 102, Georgia 101, it can feel like even New Jersey can feel like 100 today. Massachusetts we're feeling like a 96, New Hampshire we're feeling like 96 too in some spots. Then we can see 4 p.m. today we're feeling like 101 in Virginia, North Carolina, feeling like 102, 100 we can see in New Jersey, 90s in Massachusetts, 80s in New York, 80s in some of the New England states. It can feel like 2 also in Georgia. It can feel like 100 in some spots. If you live in this area, keep hydrated today, guys. This is going to be a really hot day, I gotta say, with the high indexes we can see. Also, we can see some high indexes over here in Louisiana too, 101 over here too also. So, yeah, guys. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. Also, thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. And make sure to subscribe to the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.